Good morning, dear children. In coordination compounds, today we will start the most important part of the lesson. That is how to write the IUPAC name of coordination compounds. So first I will tell you which are containing the complex cations. Okay. So I have written a compound here. So as we have read, this cobalt is the central metal atom or ion. NH3 क्या है बेटा? This is ligand. Okay. 6 क्या है इसका? कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर है. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. एंड व्हाट इज Cl3 जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के बाहर आयनाइजेशन स्फीयर और काउंटर आयन. आयनाइजेशन स्फीयर और काउंटर आयन. ओके. देन अब इतने सारे पार्ट को क्या बोलेंगे तुमको पता है. ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितना कुछ होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर. सो इफ आई राइट हियर till here, it is coordination sphere. So two parts are there, coordination sphere, or outside the square bracket the part is known as ionization sphere और counter ion. यहाँ तक तो हमने पढ़ा हुआ है. Now if you see, if this compound is dissolved in water, aqueous solution में, it will be ionized and two types of ions will be produced. One is CO, NH3, whole 6, and another one is 3-chloride ion. Okay, so we see that when it is dissolved in water, it is going to produce two types of ions. अब इसके ऊपर क्या चार्ज होगा बेटा? टोटल न्यूट्रल है. So this will be 3+, then only N3Cl minus, then only it will become a neutral compound. Okay. इतना हमें ध्यान में रखना है. सो टू राइट द IUPAC नेम, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज राइट द लिगैंड, फिर सेंट्रल मेटल और आयन, देन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, देन आयनिक स्फीयर और काउंटर आयन जो बाहर लिखा होता है काउंटर आयन. अब जब हम लिगैंड लिखेंगे ना बेटा तो इसको अल्फा, एक से ज्यादा लिगैंड हो, इफ मोर देन वन लिगैंड, वन लिगैंड्स, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेट या अल्फाबेटिकल order has to be followed after alphabetical order. So you see, if more than one ligands are there, then alphabetical order has to be followed. Now you can ask question, children, why do we write somewhere bis, thrice, या tris or tetra? So in the when already there are di, tri, if already di, tri, etc. words are present, prefixes are present, then we use bis, tris, etc. Okay. Oxidation state, children. Oxidation state, Roman letter 1, 2, Roman digits 1, 2, 3, etc. ठीक है. And ionic sphere we know, outside the square bracket what is written, that is the ionic sphere. So before we start writing nomenclature, I will tell you what are the IUPAC notations for positive, negative and neutral ligand. You have to learn earlier the names were different. But in 2004, IUPAC has given these new names. We have to learn these names and we have to remember which are the negative ligands, neutral ligands, positive ligands. Most of us are knowing these ligands. So F minus if it is written, so it will be written fluorido. Then Cl minus chlorido. Earlier what we used to write children? Chloride. तो E को हटा के हमें O कर देना है. Okay? Then Br minus bromido. This is bromido, iodido, then H minus hydrido, then N3 minus nitrido, Cn minus cyanido, C2O4 2 minus oxalato, O2 minus oxo, then OH minus hydroxo, O and O minus. बेटा, if you see NO2 में दो साइड से डोनर प्रेजेंट हैं, या तो जब ऑक्सीजन डोनेट करेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन तो नेम विल बी नाइट्रिटो O. NO2 में नाइट्रिटो O. If O donates the electron, and if nitrogen is the electron donating center, then it is nitrito N. If N donates the electron. So these are some of the negative ligands. Then neutral ligands are amine, A double M लिखोगे, amine, H2O aqua, NO nitrosyl, CO carbonyl, CS thiocarbonyl, and O2 dioxygen. Some of them we are knowing, N2 dinitrogen as we were writing earlier. Positive ligands, best example is NO plus, and it is known as nitrosylium. Then another one, N2H5, hydrazinium. Okay, so some of the common ligands we will remember, and if needed I will give you the names of more ligands and their IUPAC notations. Correct children? So let us write the name of this compound, IUPAC name of this compound. What is the ligand you see children? Here ligand is NH3. कैसा ligand है ये? Neutral है, पता है सबको? So it is a neutral ligand. कितने हैं? How many are there? 6. So we will write here, and all these names will be written with small letters. Hand it now. Small letters. Okay. So we will write here hexa amine. Do you see? Hexaamine. So this is the name of the ligand. Then what is the central metal ion you see? Cobalt. So we will write here cobalt. There will be no gap. Hexaamine cobalt. Cobalt का oxidation state find करोगे, it will be 3. So Roman letter 3. And then ionic sphere. So what is the ionic sphere here? बाहर क्या है बेटा? Square bracket के बाद chloride है. कितने हैं? 3. So it will be written as chloride. Now you can ask me, teacher, how you found the oxidation state. Though I had explained you in the yesterday's class, let me show you. Cobalt, let it be X plus 0 into 6. Why 0 beta? Because it is a neutral ligand. Plus 3 into minus 1. Because chloride oxidation state is minus 1 is equal to 0. So X minus 3 is equal to 0. So X is equal to 3. Therefore cobalt is in this form, Roman letter 3. Therefore we have written. Now एक चीज यहाँ पे रखना है बेटा, इन दोनों के बीच में put the gap. Put the gap. Clear children? Start with small letter. Put the gap between this and the ionization sphere या ionic sphere के बीच में gap रखना है. So here a bit more gap should be there. Fine. Next compound I will show you. Cr H2O. First of all, we have to be very clear which are neutral ligands, which are negative ligands, which are positive ligands, and how to find their oxidation state. So CrH2O4, Cl2, NO3. Let me show you how to write the name. How many ligands are there? Here 4 H2O and 2 chlorido. Are you seeing? So 4 and 2, दो हैं, but which will come first? Aqua will come first in alphabet. So aqua, comma, chlorido. Do you see children? दो हमारे पास ligand हैं, aqua and chlorido. Inside the square brackets ligands are present. So first step is to write the ligand. In that aqua will come first, so we will write here how many aqua are there? Tetra. So tetra, small letter शुरू करोगे, tetra aqua. Clear? Then what is there? How many chlorido are there? Dichlorido. So dichlorido, tetra aqua dichlorido. Central metal ion क्या है बेटा? Chromium. So CHROMIUM, chromium, and its oxidation state. So it is 3 in Roman. Then put the gap, okay, and then write outside what is present. NO3 means nitrate. ये जो मैंने यहाँ gap लिखा है, you have not to write gap. Only you have to leave the gap. Okay. So now you can ask how we have found out the oxidation state of chromium. So I will explain you. Let it be X. Neutral molecule H2O, so X plus 0 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1 plus NO3 का already minus 1 is equal to 0 because total charge is nothing. Total charge is 0. So it will be X minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Therefore it is chromium in Roman 3. Therefore we have written here tetra aqua dichlorido. ये सभी ligands हो गए, ligands का काम over. Then we will write the central metal atom, that is chromium. Then its oxidation state 3. Then put the gap and then outside जो ionic sphere है NO3 nitrate. Okay. In this way we have to practice the nomenclature. Tomorrow I will give you more compounds to write. Thank you.